Hi.
Hello.
There you go. Hey, so we have another recipe today, and I love this recipe.
Especially if you like crunchy things, if you like chips, this is a chip alternative.
It's a crackery. Depends how thick you cut the onion in this recipe. It can be a little more bread-like, a little thicker cracker, the way I did it today.
It's an onion
Thin.
bread, right? Cracker?
Well, today it's really like an onion cracker. They're so thin. Do you see how thin those are?
Yeah.
Super thin.
Yeah.
It's 4 ingredients. Throw everything in the food processor, put it. Now you do need a dehydrator, or you can do it in an oven with the door open. But I say if you're into it, get a food dehydrator. You're gonna love it. I love food dehydrators.
Yeah, if you like onions, you'll love this. It's really good. It's very salty. I like the salt.
And sweet. The onion is kind of sweet.
Without the sugar.
It's addicting. The only reason I don't like making these is because by the time I have done the dishes, most of it's gone. My family has.
Yeah, because it's so good. That's the problem, Karen. If you make it so good, people will eat it. That's the problem. If it wasn't so good, we wouldn't eat it.
Well, I would like you to have that problem too. You're gonna love these onion crackers, onion bread if it's thicker. And here's how to make it. So it's been a while since you've seen Charlie, and I'm a big Charlie advocate.
He's gotten slightly bigger.
I always want to have him in these.
Try to lift him
He's gotten
up.
a little bigger.
He's like a sheepdog.
See how awesome he is?
What?
Remember the days, Charlie? Click the link below.
Oh,
He's too big. He's just too big.
He's a handful.
All right, for all you Charlie fans, he wants to get on the table and do a dance. But anyway,
That was
just
Charlie.
wanted you to know
Update.
Charlie's doing great.
He's growing by the minute.
By the minute. That's the Charlie update.
Hey guys, I just recently did a survey and I found out the #1 thing that you want is to know what to eat. Okay, you want examples of meals. So I created a series of recipes that you can get, which basically show you how to combine the foods in the right portions to do ketogenic and intermittent fasting. They're totally free. All you need to do is click the link below and sign up.